Hey guys, it's Sassy B90, and today we're going to be making chocolate strawberries and chocolate bananas. So let's get started. Step one, we're gonna need a knife. This is a little too big. We're going to need a different knife. This is pretty good. Let's cut the strawberries. We're cutting the top of the strawberries. And then after this, we are going to put the chocolate on them. So now we gotta put the toothpicks in the strawberries. So one by one. Make sure you put the pointer in at the first, at the point. Uh-oh. Make sure you hold them when you are putting them in. That done, now we're gonna do the banana. So first, we gotta peel it. Second, you're going to cut the banana in bite size. Now we're gonna stick the sticks in the bananas. But not all the way. We gotta make sure we can hold it, but we don't want it all the way in there. Next, we gotta freeze it for at least 30 minutes. Now that our food is frozen, we're gonna add the chocolate to it. I'm just gonna dip it. I'm not a pro at this. So here is one. And I think we're just gonna plot it on the plate. Next one. Next, we're going to put it in the freezer. So while we're waiting, I've decided to try other foods with chocolate. So first we're going to do a pickle. Pretty good. Looks like we're all done. Now for the taste test. First, I'm going to do the strawberry. It's hard to bite. How about the chocolate? Pretty good. Now for the banana. They're both pretty good. That's all for today. So till next time, keep it sassy.